And now, the Android Basics segment. This is a segment where we discuss the things that power your device from behind the scenes. And now, here's this week's episode, Android Basics.
Next, we have Android Basics, where Warren is going to get us caught up on some new Android betas.
So Google was very busy. As we know, this week is Google Made by Google, and that Wednesday, the 20th, not only did Google unveil all those great stuff, hardware and all of that great stuff, but they were also very busy, releasing the Android 16 QPR Beta 2, and also the Android Canary, the third iteration. And I'm not going to go through everything, but there are lots of things that have happened in here, and I'm just going to go through some of the bulleted highlights here, and I'm going to go by heading. And so under UI, system experience, and accessibility, we have the following, and that's the Android QPR Beta 2.1. Expanded dark theme, auto-themed app icons, interactive chooser sessions, smoother Android migrations, PDF document annotation and editing, display topology API, device-aware view configuration, granular haptic feedback control, quick settings title categories. Those are the things we have there, under UI, system, and accessibility. The next heading is media and audio. And here we have IAMF decoding support, personal audio sharing in output switcher, new audio APIs, HDR/SDR brightness slider. And that's all that we have for audio. The next one is connectivity. Under connectivity, we have companion device management enhancements, media router, network privacy improvements. The next one is privacy and security. And we have secure lock device, phone theft protection toggle. The next one is developer productivity, and we have widget engagement matrix, early warnings for 16 KB page size compatibility, enhanced profiling, more robust multi-display testing. Those are the highlights of these release. Outside of that, the Android Canary channel also got a third release, and we're just going to simply put in the URLs for both of these in the show notes so you can read more about these. So those are some of the things that we have in the Android QPR Beta 2. That's the Android 16 QPR Beta 2.
So I guess Google is now, this is a pretty consistent thing now that they're releasing the beta of the next QPR before they release the stable of the previous QPR. So it's been like, what, 2 or 3 times in a row now they've done this?
Yeah, so we'll be seeing the feature drop for the QPR1 in September, and this QPR2 will see its feature drop. If you're not enrolled, you'll see that in December. So I think they're being consistent here.
So I know we say it every time, but if you're in the QPR1 beta and you want to get out of the beta without resetting your phone, then just ignore the update when it shows up for you to update to QPR2. And when the stable version of QPR1 or the fall pixel feature drop is available through the stable channel, it'll just replace that update, and you can update to there and unenroll without losing any data.
Yeah, unless it pulls a Samsung on you and where it auto updates it for you. Does it ever do that? I'm not sure.
No, I don't think it
but,
does.
but I've
Not
seen
for these
instances
betas.
where, on the Samsung, an update, even if you just keep procrastinating, at some point it'll do it for you. Most especially if you're, going to sleep and you wake up and hey, you got a new update.